Most people dislike inflation because A. Reduces the nominal rate of interest. B. Reduces the capital gains earned when an asset is sold. C. Reduces the purchasing power of money. And D. Increases the cost of making decisions. So the answer is, bakit daw ayaw ng mga tao ang inflation? The answer is letter C. It reduces the purchasing power of money. Okay, so the unevenly rising prices inevitably reduce the purchasing power of some consumers. So as you can see in my illustration here, in 1998, ang dami pang laman, no? Yung mga shopping carts. In 2005, ito na lang. In 2014, masyado nang maliit, no? Malaki nga yung pera mo, maliit naman. Or konti lang yung nabibili. Okay? So inflation reduces the purchasing power